Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here. Thanks for watching. It's Thursday the 22nd of September and bringing you up to date on how things shape up for the next 10 days, 2 weeks or so. The headline really is that it looks like things are going to be staying fairly dry and that it's going to get warmer as well. Let me just show you the forecast of where we see precipitation going in the next 10 days. This is the period from Thursday, so from today through to next Thursday. Notice how it's the west of the British Isles, look, seeing some rain, but out towards the east generally dry. This line of rain here just associated with a front which is going to be weakening, but really we're looking at just 2 to 5 millimetres for most. And then in the second part of the period, it's these western coasts again that see most of the rain, but out towards the east it's drier. So what we're seeing there really is a reflection that we're going to be seeing some dry conditions coming in, but then as we get towards the end of the forecast period, we could see things turning a little bit wetter into the beginning of October, which kind of goes against what I was thinking long range wise, but we'll go with this for the time being because the models are all in quite good agreement, so it gives us good weight to go with this forecast. This is the percentage of normal rainfall prediction from today until next Thursday. You see these red colours across the UK, across much of Europe here, showing that we are going to be seeing less than 25% of the normal rainfall that we could expect during this period, so certainly lots of dry weather on the way. The reason for it, well, these are the 10-day predicted mean 500 millibar heights for the period from next Thursday running through till the following Sunday. So from Thursday, is it the 29th up to the 2nd of October, and this is from the ECMWF model, this is from the GFS model, and you can see here how here's the UK, look just underneath here, here's Europe, and notice how we've got these red colours in here, these increased heights. That means higher than normal heights within this zone across northern Europe. And incidentally, you can see here this is the jet stream. Notice how we get this trough to the west, and then we get this big ridge coming across northern Europe with a trough going into western parts of Russia there. This is a classic omega shape high, and when you get one of these, they don't tend to want to go away particularly very quickly, and you see good agreement here between the ECMWF and the GFS model. Now I mentioned there that these things really don't want to go away very quickly when you see these, so we could be in for dry weather, I think, for quite some time, despite what the rainfall forecast was predicting for the early part of October. Let's just whiz through the charts then. These are from weatheronline.co.uk. Here's the UK, and we've got the time of the chart here in the top left hand corner. Just watch what happens as we flick through. Here's our area of high pressure through Friday. Look, mainly dry across most of the country. Low pressure south of Iceland, just pushing this weak front through Ireland into western parts of Scotland tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, and this feature just dies out, look, as it comes eastwards into the area of high pressure through Saturday, so most of us stay dry through Saturday too. Into Sunday, may just find a little bit of rain sneaking into the southwest through parts of Wales, but heavier rain for western Scotland and western parts of Ireland. And then overnight to Monday, watching this area of low pressure could bring a period of heavy rain and strong winds to Scotland and Ireland, as well as western coast of England and Wales, before it sweeps quickly eastwards through Monday morning. But severe gales look across Scotland. High pressure though building in again to the south, so generally dry conditions there, and I think that's what we'll find through next week as this high becomes centred east of the country. Warm south to southeasterly winds wafting upwards through the country there, look, through the rest of the week next week, and really keeping things dry right the way through the week and into the start of the weekend. Now I did think that we'd see a deterioration in conditions end of September, beginning of October. This is kind of what's been hinted at here on the models. Low pressure trying to develop a week on Saturday off the south of Ireland. That may try and sneak some rainfall northwards. I'm not sure this has got this pattern entirely right, but this is certainly consistent with an omega shaped high, so it could be that much of the country is dry through into the beginning of the week after next, and perhaps through most of that week too. High pressure could be dominating, and we could be in for quite a fine spell of weather to kick off October, although that does mean that the second half of October may well go far more unsettled. So dry, warm weather is certainly the emphasis of the day. Now don't forget, you can get a forecast by typing weatherweb.net and get a forecast for your location. All you got to do is go to the weatherweb.net website, enter your location, and you'll get a forecast from there for the next 7 days. Now if you're farming, go down the left hand side and click on Farmers Forecast, because here if you enter your location in there, do a search, there we go, and you'll get a very detailed forecast for the next 7 days for your area, and it gives you lots of information including the weather, the temperature, the wind and humidity. So lots of information there for you. Do go and take a look. I suppose I better go and get the phone. Thanks for watching.